Hi, I'm Jeff with Medical Equipment Specialist, ATP, on staff. The question we get a lot is, how do I know when my power chair motor is bad? One of the things it'll show is you'll have a burning smell coming from the motor area. If you have a burning smell, you should shut your power chair off and contact your provider. Another thing you hear is loud and unusual sounds, metal grinding. Also, if you do hear those sounds, you need to stop your chair and contact your provider for service. Another thing you'll feel is heat. If you feel heat coming off the motors, that's abnormal also. What you need to do is shut the machine off, contact your provider for service. And also, the last is unusual performance. The motors seem sluggish, they stop, they go. Those are unusual characteristics of the motor, and you need to contact your provider for service. Also, when you use your chair outside in the heat, the motors have thermal protectors which will shut the motor down. Allow the chair to cool, give it 15-20 minutes, power back up, and if that's the reason why the chair stopped, it should start again. Once again, if you've had any of these issues, please contact your medical provider or contact us here at Medical Equipment Specialists. Thank you.